In this video, I will show you how to download and install Stremio on your Samsung Smart TV. Now over here, I have a 32-inch Samsung Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of Samsung Smart TV you have. Whether you have a newer model of Samsung Smart TV or the older model, by the end of this video, you should be able to install and use the Stremio app on any Samsung Smart TV you have. Now first things first, you have to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to the internet. So to install the app, you want to head over to the Samsung App Store. From the home of your Samsung Smart TV, just navigate horizontally until you get to this apps icon over here. Go ahead and select it to open up the Samsung Smart TV App Store. And once the App Store opens up, you want to head over to this search icon at the top of your Samsung Smart TV. So just scroll over to the top until you get to this search icon over here. Go ahead and select it. And in this input field over here, you want to go ahead and search for Stremio. So just go ahead and type Stremio over here. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Stremio app suggestion over here from the App Store of my Samsung Smart TV. Now, if you do not find the Stremio app after searching on your Samsung Smart TV just as it is over here, one thing you have to note is that the Stremio app is currently not available for all regions on your Samsung Smart TV. For you to be able to access the app, you have to change the region of your Samsung Smart TV App Store to a region where the app is actually available. Take for instance the United States of America. I have made a complete tutorial on how to go about changing the region of your Samsung Smart TV, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. So go ahead and watch that particular video, and once you change the region of your Samsung Smart TV and search for the Stremio app, you should be able to find it over here just as it is on my Samsung Smart TV. Now once you find it, you want to go ahead and open up the app. So scroll over to the top and then go ahead and select the Stremio app from over here. Just go ahead and select it. And at this point, you want to click on the install button, then give the app some few seconds to download and install into your Samsung Smart TV. And once it is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And just like so, we now have the Stremio app running smoothly on our Samsung Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and log into your Stremio account by simply scanning the QR code over here using your mobile phone, and you should be taken to the web browser where you can actually log in with your account, and automatically your TV will as well be logged into the Stremio account. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.